Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to make the side of the semi-trailer today.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
I could just make the base and just change the width, but I'm going to go ahead and start with the part because I want to go ahead and make it on a different plane. So let's go ahead and do sketch. We're going to use the front plane this time. And I'll make a rectangle. Oops, I just made a rectangle real quick. That's okay. Get out of the rectangle by clicking on that quick check the check mark there. And I'll just grab the corner and pull it down below the origin. Oops, and then I'll make a center line. Make sure the concentric snap is hit there, concentric is there, add relation, the center line is already selected, hit the origin, do midpoint, and then I'll dimension. Now, I'm going to make my height to be 4 inches, and when I dimension it, I'm going to change this to be X so that people can make the height whatever height they want. But I'll make this guy 12, just like the rest of this guy is. And then I'll go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. All right, so we're going to go ahead and extrude this guy 1 inch, and then hit OK. Actually, let's just do this a slightly different way. No, I'll just do it this way. No, let's do it a different way. So instead of doing an inch, let's do half an inch. Okay. Now, I'm not really one to really like to put sketches on faces, but let's do that this time. So I'll do sketch, and I'm going to put it on this face this time. Okay. Now I'm going to make a rectangle again. Now let's make it here. And then I'll go ahead and add some relations here. So I'm going to make this line, oops, too many lines. So clear selection. We have this line and this edge, and we're going to make them collinear. Then I'm going to grab, then I'm just going to do smart dimension. For the rest, I'll just do smart dimension. So here to here, I want that to be half inch. And from here to here, I want that to be half inch. And from here to here, I want that to be half inch as well. Then I'm just going to extrude. So I'll go features, extrude. And I'll just extrude that half inch again. And hit OK. And there it is. There's my side. Don't have to do anything else. Just make that side just like that. Let's save. And this is my trailer, and this is side. Save. Don't have to put any holes or anything like that. And then I'll just do File, make drawing from part. There we go. It's landscape. And then again, I'll just do drawing, model view, next. And I do want multiple views, front, top, and side. And I'll leave it, probably the side, let's do front, top. And just like that would be good. Hidden lines, sheet scale, okay. There you have it. I'll just do annotation, model items, and entire view, or all views. There we go. All right, so bring that out so it's not quite as messy there. We'll grab that endpoint, bring that out there. Make sure there's gaps there, that's good. Let's pull the 0.5 outside. There we go. And we'll pull this 0.5 outside. So oops. Pull that 0.5 out as well. There we go. Maybe make it a little bit lower so it's readable. We'll bring that outside, make it readable. The 12 is good, the 0.5. Those are fine, but I'll pull, oops. Pull the 0.5. I'll move it outside so I can read a little better. And pull the 0.5 outside. We can read better. There we go. And that's all the dimensions we need. However, just before, I'm going to change this. I want people to be able to put whatever they want in there. So let's go ahead and we'll just put an X there. I'll say yes, that's fine. And we'll make a little note. So just put a note. Right here, that's fine. Height. Change. Designer. There we go. There's my little note. Okay. And then I will go ahead and that's it. So I'll right click sheet format, edit sheet format, zoom in a little bit. My name. When I see the A and double click, all caps. Last name. I normally want that last name, first initial last name. Double click on the date. Open the date. And I'll find the A over here. Double click. We'll make that 14 so it fits in there. Double click on the title. It's going to be semi-trailer side. There we go. Okay. Quick sheet format. Go to sheet. And I'll zoom out even though I don't really need to. Let's save. Save all. That's a good name. And then do save as. There's PDF. There we have it. The side of our trailer is all made and all happy. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.